it's September 11 today. It's a Thursday. Full day yung shift ni Nabi today, kaya ngayon lang kami aalis. It's 3 p.m. So we're here again at Chadi. Pupuntahan muna namin ngayon yung concierge dito sa Chadstone. Let's check. Kasi sabi ni Nabi meron daw parang tourist passport with discounts and a free ride to the city from Chadstone. Hindi namin alam. So we will check it out. Anyway, I'll show you. This is the new wing of Chadi. They just opened. Andito yung mga coffee shop. Ito si Mork. May bagong Asian market dito, si Maita. Yan. And this is a fresh supermarket. Gaganda talaga ng mga prutas nila dito. Look at this Decapon mandarins. Tingnan niyo yung itsura niya.
Capsicum.
Capsicum. Sige nga.
Capsicum.
Oh look, meron din silang green mangoes. Pero Namdok mangoes siya. $9.99 a kilo. Okay, dito din sa New Wing, merong mga fresh seafood na tinda. Yan ang presyo niya. Baby Barramundi, $24. Snapper, $27. Yan yung hipon nila. Yung king prawn is $30. Try naman namin tong si Little Sister na coffee. Bakery siya actually. May promo sila. With any order of pastry, you get $3 regular coffee, any flavor. Kaya lang, busog kami ni ate. So kami nag-coffee lang kami. This is the menu. Yung large is $6.50. Yung regular coffee is $5. Honest review lang ni Little Sister. Isa to sa mga hindi masarap na kape na natikman namin. Matabang yung kape niya. Siya pa yung pinakamahal. $6.50 so far. Siya yung pinakamahal na nabili kong kape na large. Kasi yung kahapon na trinay ko kay Ducal, yung nasa likod ko lang, yan. Masarap yung kape niya. It's $5.90 yung large niya. Pero masarap daw yung cookie. Well, to be fair, bakery naman kasi sila. Hindi naman sila coffee shop. Can I try? Ang laki. In fairness, masarap yung cookie. Pambawi sa kape. Guys, hindi namin natiis. Hindi talaga siya masarap. So, bibili kami ng isa pang kape dito kay Cafe Ducal. Kasi yung dito at least na-try ko masarap. Pero hindi pa siya na-try ni ate. So, dito na lang kami ulit mag-order. I'm so sorry, little sister. Pero napakatabang ng kape. Tapos, try natin yung Gcash card ni George. Kasi na-reject siya dun sa kanina. In fairness, dito tinanggap yung Gcash card ni George. Kanina dun sa little sister, hindi siya tinanggap. So, nandito kami ulit kay Ducal. Here's the price. We got flat white again. In fairness, ang daming bumibili ng kape dito kay Ducal, ha? Bisit na bisit siya kasi umabot na ng 700 pesos yung kape pa lang namin dahil nga hindi masarap si Little Sister. So, ito yung large ni Ducal. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano yung pronunciation niya, ha? Cafe Ducale or Ducal. Kasi Ducale yung spelling niya. Anyway, $5.90 lang yung large niya. So, ginamit namin yung Gcash card. $5.90 AUD. Yung na-charge kay daddy sa card niya sa Gcash is 223.65 pesos. In AUD, lumalabas lang siyang 5.92 AUD ulit. So, yung parang additional lang is 0.02 AUD. Not bad. Ginamit namin si Gcash dito kay Ducale kasi no cash payment siya and no card surcharge. So, okay lang mag-card sa kanya. Yung ibang restaurants kasi dito, if you use your card, there's an automatic 1.6% surcharge. Every time card payment yung gagamitin ninyo. O, ayan na ate. Sige. Try your flat white. Kahit siya hindi niya matiis yung kape namin kay Little Sister.
Ano mahal?
O, ano? Lasa ng kape.
Isa ng kape. Ito natin kasi yung kape nila.
Alam niyo si Little Sister talaga parang ano lang.
Wala.
Yung natira mong kape nilagyan mo ng hot water. Ganon. I'm so sorry. Mag-grocery shopping tayo today. Magtitingin kami ng mga pasalubong. Nandito tayo sa Woolworth. Siya actually, ang tawag nila is Woolies. So normally, pag naka-sale dito kay Woolies, hindi siya naka-sale kay Kohl's. Tapos si Kohl's naman, pag naka-sale doon, hindi siya naka-sale dito kay Woolies. So i-compare muna natin. Yung Tim Tam nila dito, kay Woolies. $6 ngayon. Hindi siya nakasale. Pero just 3 days ago, si ate, nakabili siya ng Tim Tam $3.
Yes. Kaya nga, buti bumili na ako.
Oo, buti nakabili na siya. Ngayon, nakaano na siya, $6. Hindi siya nakasale. So, silip tayo kay Coles din. Ito yung local butter ni Australia. So, ngayon, naka $4.80. Nakasale siya dito kay Woolies. Kasi yung una namin kita sa kanya, $6, no? $6. So, tingnan natin. 5 days ago, yes. Ngayon, naka $4.80 siya. Nandito naman kami kay Coles. Lumipat na kami. O, ito nga. So, you have to check kung alin sa kanila yung mas mura. Ito yung favorite coffee namin, si Victoria. This is from Australia. And kay Woolies kanina, the decaf is $16. So, here ngayon kay Coles, it's 13. Tapos ito kanina di ba 16 din? Oh, now it's 9. Sabi ko na nga parang hindi ako bibili ng kape na $16, di ba? Kasi parati kaming nag-uuwi nito and sinabi din parati ko siyang pinapabili niyan. So now it's $9 here in Coles. Masarap to, si Victoria na brand. Yung Tim Tam dito kay Coles, it's 2 for $8. So lumalabas $4 lang siya per pack. Kay Woolies kanina, it was $6. Hindi siya nakasale. So, tama, kapag ka naka-sale si Coles, hindi siya naka-sale kay Woolies. Nag-alternate lang sila. So, make sure to check kung saan mas mura. Pero mas mura pa rin yung kuha mo dati, ate, $3. Ngayon, $4 lumalabas. Ito din yung butter dito kay Coles, si Western Star, yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo. Dito, it's $6. So, hindi siya naka-sale. So, babalik kami kay Woolies para bilhin yung mga hindi naka-sale dito kay Coles. Doon naman kami, lipat kami. Bayad na tayo, self-service, yung grocery nila dito. $104.30. Pero may na-save daw tayong $71.90. Wow. We'll just have a quick dinner here at Omi. Here pa rin at Sadstone. So, ito yung Wagyu Bowl. So, yung Wagyu Bowl namin ni ate is $24.90. And then, if you want to make it a meal, you add $5. It will come with a side salad and miso soup. Ito yung ultimate Wagyu Bowl kay Nabi. It's bigger. That's $29 naman. Hello! It's 2:30 ngayon pala kami magla-lunch. Dito kami dinala ni Nabi sa Running Pot at Glen Waverly. Ganyan siya. Unlimited hot pot na conveyor belt. Nakakaaliw. Per adult is $29.90. Tapos yung soup base is separate bayad na $6 for the 2 flavors. $5 for 1 flavor of soup base. So more or less mga nasa 35 AUD.
That's actually cheap for an eat all you can here.
Ah, really?
Kasi the eat all you can here usually nasa 50 per person.
So let's try. Share ko lang din pala. Na-underestimate namin yung weather today. Naka 13 degrees pala kami. Feels like 7. Hindi kami nag-thermal. Pero thermal weather siya. Pero naka-wool coat ako ha. Naka-sweater pa ako sa loob. Kaya lang wala akong thermal. Pero nakasando ako sa loob. Ang lamig! Siya naka-t-shirt ka lang. At saka yung kanyang thick jacket. Malamig, malamig. Grabe. Ito yung mga options ng flavors for the soup. Pwedeng double flavor, pero $6. And then you make your own sauce also. Ito yung sa sauce niya, and then unlimited dessert din siya. Fruits.
That also soft serve.
And chicharon. Chicharon to? Kropik.
Yeah, probably.
Tapos unlimited soft serve din. Dito na kami sa table, pinili namin yung booth para nakakapagkulitan kami. This is my soup. I chose the mushroom soup. And then you have to turn on your kalan. There. And then ayan yung conveyor belt. You get to choose your own meat. Ay, ito, Daddy. Premium beef. Premium beef. Ang bilis niya. Ang bilis niya. Doon sa mga hindi mahilig sa spicy, masarap si mushroom soup. So, yung mga gusto ng spicy, may mild and hot. Sinabi yung hot talaga yung kinuha niya. Sobrang anghang. In fairness, we're enjoying yung hot pot. Masarap siya. Pwede rin kayo mag-request ng bib kasi tumatalon yung mga balls pag kinakain. At saka yung oil tumatalsik. We'll enjoy our lunch. We're already done eating. Ito si Running Pot, ayan, kay Glenn Waverly. Yung bill nga pala namin for the four of us, umabot ng 140 AUD. So in peso, that's 5,279 or mga 5,300 for the four of us. Tapos unlimited siya. Since mahal yung mga pagkain dito sa Australia, sulit na siya. Patas masarap siya. So, recommended, Running Pot. Ang sarap. Buti dinala kami dito ni Nabi.
Shout out to Kaiji.
Yeah, shout out kay Je. Thank you for recommending Running Pot. Balik na kami sa kotse kasi ang lamig. Battle cart again. We're doing one session para lang mapatry kay Buday. There. And this is how the track looks like. There. This is really fun. We're done na. Ito yung score namin. Natalo ako dun sa last part. Ang pinili lang namin ngayon is one session. Yung one session naman, it has 3 rounds. And yung binayaran namin is a total of 220 AUD. So, it comes out to 55 AUD per person. Pero dito, actually nakalagay sa kanya kapag one session is 65. Pero yun na-charge namin 55. Eh di good. We booked through the website again, battlecart.com. So, nag-reserve na kami kanina nung papunta kami dito kasi medyo maluwang naman yung slots.
Hello, we're here at Starbucks. Istorbahin natin si Ate Nabi. She's at work.
Life of a Barista with Ray. Hi, Ray! We will order. Meron silang ibang flavor dito. We'll get the cinnamon dolce, hot, decaf please. O ikaw?
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice latte. Ang sungit naman ng paha dito.
Just regular?
What regular?
Well, what beans?
May option. Ano pong option, ma'am?
Do you want regular, blonde, or decaf?
Oh, mine is decaf. Wala lang tao kaya kami nangungulit. Pero kanina ang haba ng pila.
1596.
Hindi kami libre. Magbabayad ako.
Well, discount? That's 30% off.
Okay, wait lang. We will pay. Yes, decaf please. Mali yung barista natin. In-assume niya na churro yung order ko. Ate Nabi at work. I-judge natin yung kape. Dapat masarap yan, ha? Set my drink. This is the cinnamon dolce. Judge natin yung timpla ni Ate Nabi. Cinnamon dolce. At least wala kang comparison, wala sa atin. Our coffee is here. Let's try. I-judge natin ang kape ni Ate Nabi. So, tambay lang kami sa Starbucks ngayon kasi closing siya. Wala naman din kaming pupuntahan. So, antayin na lang namin siya dito sa Starbucks.
It's overflowing.
Masarap to. Cinnamon dolce. But because I love cinnamon. Nandito yung barista natin. Ang gagawa mo dito?
I'm on my break.
She's on her 10-minute break. Ang dami pang tao. Ayan, medyo nabawasan na. Kanina po punong-puno yung tao kasi sila na lagi open na coffee shop by now, no? Yeah, everything's closed na. Hello. Na-evict na po kami sa Starbucks kasi closing na. So, antayin lang muna namin si Ate Nabi before we go home tonight. Good morning! It's our last day to go around in Melbourne today because tomorrow is already Nabi's graduation and day after that, we're already going back to Manila. So ngayon last day namin mag-iikot and this is our first time actually to try the Chadstone Free Tourist Shuttle Bus. Meron pala. Hindi namin alam na meron palang free shuttle bus kay Chadstone to the CBD area. Sinabi lang sa amin ni Portia at ni Dottie. Shout out, hello! Portia and Dottie. So, ngayon lang namin siya susubukan kung aabot kami. You have to book it in advance. You go to the Chadstone Mall website. Makikita nyo dun sa services merong yung tourist bus shuttle, and then you go to make a booking, tas pipili kayo doon ng time slot na babagay dun sa lakad ninyo. So ngayon, nakita ko meron pang available na 12:45 p.m. Round trip service siya. Meron din siya from Federation Square to Chadstone naman. So we'll see also if we will be able to make the return trip back to Chadstone. Sayang kasi siya dahil it's free. Tignan natin how convenient it is and kung saan tayo sasakay. We'll go there first. See ya! Okay, nandito na kami naglalakad. So yung schedule pala ni bus from Federation Square to Chadstone, maaga yung last trip niya. Hanggang 5 o'clock lang. Pero yung Chadstone to Federation Square, ngayon, since the mall closes early until Wednesday, last trip nila is 5 p.m. Pero yung pag Thursday, yung hanggang 9 p.m. yung mall, last trip niya back to the city is 9 p.m. This is the bus. I think we found it. This is our first time. This is our first time to go to the visitors lounge. So I think it's this one. Ayan. And then that's the bus. I think we have to go inside and register. Tingnan natin. Ayan, nahanap na namin siya. Ayan, Chadstone Visitor Lounge. Mas malapit siya dun sa Tiffany & Co. Yun yung area niya. So, labas kayo dun. And then, I think you have to turn right. Tapos makikita nyo na tong Chadstone Visitor Lounge. So, sayang ngayon lang namin siya na-discover. Kasi, sayang din yung pamasahe namin. Nag-Uber kami going to the city. May libreng shuttle pala. Ayan na. Sasakay na kami. This is the bus. Malaki din siya, ha? It's like a double-decker bus. Ito tayo sa second floor. Gusto niyo sa harap?
Yes.
In fairness, maganda yung bus. I don't know if this is working, pero may USB port. May footrest. There's a tray table, although hindi ka pwedeng kumain. So, sabi sa website, it will be a 45-minute trip. So, we'll see. Umalis na kami. We're on the way. Umalis kami ng 10:46. Yung schedule is 10:45. And what's also good about it is there's free Wi-Fi. Chadstone Tourist Shuttle. May Wi-Fi ka pa. Hindi ko pala nasabi. After you book, you will get an email of your booking confirmation and doon lalabas yung tickets ninyo. Ayan, your ticket, and then may PDF, and then yung ticket. And then they will look for it doon sa lounge before boarding. Nandito na kami. We're going down. There, we're here na sa Federation Square. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong side kami. 20 minutes lang yung ride namin ngayon. Mabilis lang siya, I guess, because also it's a Sunday. So, walang masyadong rush hour traffic din and walang masyadong CBD traffic. So, ayan. Dito kami binaba. Ayan pala siya, Russell Street. Going to NGV Australia. Ayan yung signage niya. Ito pala si Hosier Lane, tapos ayan si Acme Theater. Nandyan yung bus. So if you are from the city and you want to see Chadstone Shopping Center, which is the biggest shopping center here in Melbourne, you can avail of the free tourist bus going straight to Chadstone na. We stopped by for a quick coffee here at Coco Black. Nag-order din ako, nainggit ako dun sa iced coffee ni Nabi with ice cream. It's $9.70 kasi may ice cream siya. Tapos, may padating na demonstration. Is that a rally? Kasi nasa CBD kami. May warning talaga today na merong rally. Ayan, ito yung demonstration ngayon na nangyayari sa CBD.
Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
This is one of the biggest demonstrations na inabutan namin dito sa Melbourne. Normally, nandun lang sila sa gitna ng State Library. Hello, naglalakad kami papuntang Melbourne Central dapat. Kakain kami dapat ng Chili India, pero nadaanan namin to. Sia Paris Steak. Dahil naghahanap na kami ng karne, dahil puro kami tinapay at saka noodles, natakam kami sa kanya. This is going to be our first time trying this one, even Nabi. And we checked on Google, it's 4.6 stars naman yung review niya. And the menu looks good also. Ito yung mga choice steaks daw nila. This is their best seller. This one is the healthiest one, less fat. This is the fattiest one. Ito yung presyo niya. Tapos ayan yung mga options. May weight options with different prices also. And these are the sides. Ito din yung platters nila. Meron din silang lunch special. Yan yung prices niya. You can already choose your steak, may side, salad, and drink. So, try natin, tingnan natin. And then you can choose your sauce from this counter. So, ito yung mga options ng sauces nila. Ayan, help yourself. So, tingnan natin si yakiniku, si teriyaki, garlic soy, at masaya ko may mayo and ketchup sila for my fries. Kasi kadalasan pag nag-order kami ng french fries, may bayad yung ketchup tsaka yung mayo. Ito na yung miso soup namin and yung side salad. So yung 24.90 namin na steak, yung 200 grams, 945.50. So yung sa kanila, 34.90 is 1,325 pesos, yung 300 grams. Ito na yung food namin, dumating na. This is the 200 gram Yapari steak. So ito yung set meal ko with half french fries, salad, drink, and the miso soup. Ito yung walang charge. 24.90 lang talaga. Wala akong upgrade. Ito yung kay Daddy. 300 grams, large rice, and Coke. Yan yung soup niya and the salad. So yung sa kanila, $34 yung steak. Tapos may additional pang $1 yung large rice. Kain muna kami. We're so hungry na. Oh, gutom na, di ba? Wala na nag-uusap. Let's try it without anything. It's tender, pero parang wala talaga siyang seasoning. So you have to put salt and pepper. Matabang. But the steak is very tender, and then it's cooked rare. So you just cook it according to your preference sa hot plate mo. Let's try the teriyaki sauce. Para siyang gyukatsu. Ano, masarap?
Perfect. Buti na lang di Chili India.
This is good. Yapari steak along Swanston Road, and they open until late. So, for late night options ng meals, this is good. Tapos na pala kami kumain, pero nabitin kami ng konti. So, we tried also the inside skirt naman. Ito yung pinaka-fatty nila. Na-curious lang kami dun sa fatty beef nila. Siyempre, hindi namin in-order si Wagyu kasi yun daw yung healthiest. So, ayaw namin yun. So, dito kami kay inside skirt. Kaso, mas masarap pala talaga si Yapari. Medyo hindi maganda yung hibla niya.
Basta hindi tayo doon sa healthy.
Mas tender nga si Yapari steak. We're done eating. So, again, ito siya. Yapari steak along Swanston. Kanto siya ng Little Burke and Swanston Road. There. In fairness, masarap nga siya. Sulit naman. Happy naman kami sa kanya. So ngayon, we will walk back na lang to Flinders area and try to see if we can visit the Acme Theater and NGV. And tingnan din namin kung aabot kami dun sa 5:45 na free shuttle pabalik ng Chadstone. We're here at Acme Theater already. So this is a museum of film. They have this feature, the card. And then around the museum, you look for these symbols. Ayan. Hold the lens over it. You can collect the information and you can see it online. So pag nag-blue daw siya, ibig sabihin, the card is working. And then we can bring this home. We found her here. What's her name?
Yumi.
Yumi. She's from the Philippines also. Hello. Siya yung nag-introduce sa amin dito sa Acme. Thank you. And this is us. Ito kami. So ako to. Ako tong maliit. Ito si ate. Ayan. Para makita niya sila. Oo nga, pata-patapon. For example, dito sa Shadow Play, you will find this, and then you tap it, nag-blue, so that gets stored in your card. You can see the information in the website. Ito yung mga different cameras naman na gamit before sa mga film. Yung mga original vloggers, ganito yung mga dala nilang camera na. Ito daw yung lumang DJI. Ano to?
Magulat kami dito.
Oh! Pero ganyan lang siya. Oh, so it just really keeps rotating. It keeps rotating and ganun yung nagiging effect niya. Yeah, the lighting. Ito din, ganyan lang siya. Kita niyo ba yung image? May bata na may bola. And then when you spin, full. Tapos meron ding flip book dito. Ayan, magta-try sila. You can record for free. Tapos kung magustuhan nyo daw yung flip book, $15.
And then you save it.
Sa labas.
You save. Save. Ito naman, order and arrange the blocks underneath the screen to create your own line, sequence. Ayan. Ayan yung line na pinili namin.
Tapos may free video games din dito sa may dulo. Ayan, naglalaro sila ng Tekken. It also shows you kasi the history of video games dito. Sino nanalo? Talo ka na. Laro din tayo ng Pac-Man. Hindi na ako marunong maglaro. Game over. Tapos na kami kay Acme Theater. It's very interesting. In fairness, ang galing din ni Australian government kasi this is free. And it's very interactive. It's very interesting.
Oo, kahit sa matatanda.
Oo, kahit sa matatanda. Tapos meron ka pang ang ganito that you can bring home. Yung isi-save mo lahat ng gusto mong information na nakita mong interesting sa loob. And you can revisit it by visiting the website. So, nandito lahat ng information na yon. Don't forget to visit Acme when you're here in Melbourne. It's just right across Flinders Station. Very interesting experience. Tapos ayan, kumuha si Nabi nung kanyang flipbook, yung flipbook nila ni Buday, for $15. Gift niya kay Buday, souvenir. It's for you daw. Gift niya, souvenir. Ito ulit, si Acme. Tapos ayan lang si Flinders Station. So again, don't forget to visit Acme here in Melbourne. It's a very nice experience and most especially, it's free. So maganda siyang pasyalan. Dito along Swanston Road, malapit sa Flinders, ayun yung Flinders sa kanto. Makakakita kayo ng mga ano dito, yung, ayan, Australian souvenir. Pero actually, yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, mahal dyan. Huwag kayo dyan bibili. Pumunta kayo sa Queen Victoria. Yung market nila every morning, mas mura yung mga souvenirs doon apparently.
But actually, those are already cheap compared to the tourist attraction.
Yeah. Akala din namin mas mura na dito kasi ano na siya eh.
Cheaper already.
Regular stalls na siya eh. Pero nung nagpunta kami sa Queen Victoria,
It's even
mas
cheaper.
mura. For example, yung magnet na nakuha niya, it's only $3. Yeah, dito it's $3.99. Pero yung mga t-shirt, nakabili kami ng 5 for $35. Dito, isa, $18. So, mga ganun. And it's the same shirt. So, yun lang. Mas magandang bumili ng souvenirs kay Queen Victoria Market. Nandito na kami sa chemist naman for last minute shopping. If you want discounted perfumes,
may mga perfume sila dito sa chemist at a discounted price. Ayan. So sila Armani, $80. Sa mall, nasa 100 plus. So dito, it's cheaper. Nasa men's section lang ako, pero meron din silang women's. Tapos ito din si chemist, yung parang Watsons nila. So if you need medicines, lotion, vitamins, yeah, yes, it's Watsons but, better, actually.
Yeah.
Mas marami siyang options. Nandito naman kami sa McDo. They call it Macas here in Australia. Magme-merienda kami. Nakita namin, meron sila ngayon si Big Arch Meal. Large meal is $17.70. Tapos yung sandwich only is $11.95. Then we will try paying through GCash. Ayan, okay. Total namin is $47.05. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung na-charge sa GCash. So, yung order namin is $47.05. In Australian dollar, it should be $1,786.67. Since ginamit ni George yung GCash niya, magkano yung na-charge in peso?
1,796.
1,796, 10 pesos lang.
Not bad.
10 pesos lang yung na-charge sa amin kay GCash. Very good talaga si GCash. Kahit saan ka magpunta, siya talaga yung best option compared to debit cards and credit cards. Ito na yung Big Arch Burger. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ang laki ha.
Oo, laki.
Silipin natin. Hala, ang daming onions, Buday. Si Buday hindi nag-onion. Double patty. Gulong-gulo sila kung paano nila kakainin yung burger. Kasi ang messy.
Oh, what is
The bun looks so pretty though.
Kaya mo yan. Ano, masarap?
Sabang?
Masarap naman. Sarap yung patty.
Masarap. Hello! Nandito na kami sa Flinders. Pauwi na kami. Time check it's 6:30 p.m. Nabusog na rin kasi kami dun sa merienda namin kay McDonald's. So, yun na yung dinner namin. Uuwi na muna kami because we have an early day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Nabi's graduation. That's the reason why we're here. And I'm also gonna try to show you kung paano sila mag-graduation rites dito sa Melbourne. So, that's it for today. Good night! See you!
Bye-bye.
Good morning! Good morning! It's September 15 today. Ngayon, actually, yung graduation ni Nabi. So, we're already here at Monash University. Nauna na si Nabi sa amin. So, we're gonna meet with her here kasi may mga kailangan pa siyang gawin. Pick up her toga and all that and meet with her friends. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano sila mag-graduation dito sa Australia. Let's see! Andito na kami. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nililipad kami. Ito na yung mga graduates. Oh my God, tinatangay ako. We're here with the graduate. Ayan na siya. Grabe lakas ng hangin, Diyos ko. Nag-ayos pa tayo. Gulo-gulo din. We're already here inside the auditorium. This is the Robert Blackwood Hall of Monash University. Ayan na yung mga graduates sa harapan. Alam nyo, meron lang complimentary 2 tickets si Nabi for the graduation. Pero dahil may plus 3 kami, she actually had to pay $41 additional for her.
It is a formal occasion to celebrate the academic achievements of our graduates in the company of their family and friends.
Your achievements are outstanding, and you should always look back on this moment with great pride. I personally congratulate you, and I now ask the members of the audience to applaud your accomplishments.
Naomi Isabel Pereira Tambo.
Cheers, Ate Nabi!
The graduation is done. The graduates are there. Hi. Yeah, it's a vlog. Say hi. Congratulations. There are the graduates. Here's Sky Jetu and Jason. Congratulations. We're done with the graduation. Congratulations, Ate Nabi. Yes. Grabe, parang kailan lang. That was 2023 when she came here in Melbourne. And now she's done. Ang bilis lang din. So anyway, we're done here at Monash. Nag-quick lunch lang kami and then we're gonna go home first sa Airbnb namin and have dinner later. Yun yung talagang celebration niya, yung dinner namin mamaya. See ya! Hello, good evening! It's dinner time already. We are just celebrating Nabi's graduation tonight. We are here at Crown Hotel sa South Bank. And we are going to have dinner at Nobu. Itatry naman namin yung Nobu dito sa Melbourne. Special request ng ating graduate. So let's see kung masarap din yung omakase nila dito sa Nobu sa Melbourne. This is Nobu. Ito yung menu nila, but we're going to do the omakase. We're already here inside Nobu, so we decided that we will be doing the Melbourne omakase for the 4 of us tonight because the signature omakase is basically the same as what we have in Manila. So we want to try something different, so we'll do the Melbourne omakase. It's going to be a surprise. He doesn't want to tell us what is in the menu. But just to share with you, the Melbourne omakase is 225 AUD per person. That's 8,570 pesos. Okay na din for the experience. At graduation naman ni Ate Nabi. Special request. At uuwi na kami tomorrow.
Pagbalik niyo ulit, ibang season naman na yun.
Kasi tonight pala yung start din ng spring season ni Nobu Omakase. Kakatapos lang ng winter season last night. So ngayon daw yung first day ng spring season din. So let's see what they have. This is our appetizer. First course. This one's good. And the one with the nori for the appetizer. Our second course for tonight. Swordfish ceviche with yuzu and lemon sauce. Masarap yung fish with the greens.
And the yellow.
Ah, really?
Ang sarap ng sauce. Yuzu and lemon sauce. This is our third course. It's the sushi platter. So we have tuna, yellowtail salmon. I forgot this one. This is a uni bowl with salmon roe and some ginger and wasabi. Our fourth dish, tempura with aioli and yuzu sauce. Ang sarap parati nung sauce. Yung sauce yung nagdadala. We are on our fifth course. It's Australian lamb with eggplant puree. Ngayon lang ako kakain ng lamb na naka-chopsticks. Very tender. We're on our sixth dish. This is crab wrapped in nori with yuzu ponzu sauce and some apples on top. Masarap. This is our last dish, our dessert. Look at that. Looks so interesting. Mochi and matcha tiramisu with strawberry. Very mild matcha flavor actually. Ang sarap ng mochi. Nalungkot siya kasi hindi siya kumakain ng matcha. Yan pa naman yung congratulations plate mo. Hello, we're done with our dinner at Nobu. Congratulations again, Ate Nabi. How did you like it?
Good, there's no man.
She just didn't like the dessert, but everything else was good. Actually, I think we like it better than the one in Manila, in all honesty.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Parang mas maganda yung selection and mas masarap yung lasa din ng food dito. So at least sulit naman yung aming dinner. Again, we got the Melbourne Omakase. It's 225 AUD per person. So for us, nasulit naman siya. It was a nice experience also. Anyway, we're going home already. This is our last night here in Melbourne. And tomorrow is our flight back to Manila. See ya! Good morning! It's our last day here in Melbourne. It's September 16 today. Our flight is later at 6 p.m. actually. Time check, it's 11:20 a.m. Since maaga pa and our check-out time dito sa Airbnb namin ay requested for 1:30 p.m. Pumayag naman sila. We'll have a quick lunch again at Running Pot sa Glen Waverly. Kasi nagustuhan namin siya talaga. Sulit siyang only hot pot. So, happy si Daddy. Nakadalawang Beautiful. At ngayon, makakadalawa pa siyang Running Pot.
Butche,
O, ano?
kumuha na agad ng butche.
Butche.
Matagal umikot.
Ito na kami. This is Running Pot. So, meron din siyang ganitong tables. Tapos meron din na booth. Pinili naman namin maupo dito sa individual seats. Ganito siya. Isa-isa kami. Ayan. Ayan ulit yung mga options. This is a nice hot pot experience. Kaya bumalik kami sa kanya. And then you have tissue here. There's a limit nga pala na 90 minutes. So dito pag only normally merong time limit. Last hit in Melbourne. Kain muna kami.
Skip.
We're done eating. Balik na kami sa Airbnb namin.
Tabo.
We're out. Ayan na ang mga bagahe namin. Just waiting for
namin si baby
Uber.
girl.
Bye-bye, Ate Nabi.
Bye, baby girl.
Successful kami sa aming lunch. Nagkaroon lang kami ng konting problema sa Airbnb namin. Na-lock out na kami. Kasi naka-automated door siya. Nag-deactivate na yung code namin. So, okay naman. Mabait naman si host. And ang galing ha. Remotely, they were able to change the door code. So, ang galing. Na-amaze din kami sa kanya.
Sabay ko po
Here's Ate Nabi. We're dropping her off already. Bye-bye, Ate!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Iyak na naman ako.
Luha muna.
Bye-bye, Ate! Ingat!
Pati ako nadamay. Kaya di na ako bumaba, alam ko eh. Sabi ko kay Nabi, mauna na ako. Sa upuan eh, maiiyak eh.
We're going to the airport na. See ya!